Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to change country or region on your iPhone iOS 26 to United States. For example, if you want to change your country so that if you want to use apps which are available in United States and not available in other country, so that you want to change that country or region in the App Store. So if you want to do that, then there are two methods available. So for this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to general. So in general, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go back. Now if you want to change your country or region, then there are two methods available. The first method is that you have to simply click on the App Store here. In App Store, you have to simply click on that profile section. Like here, you have to simply click on name or Apple ID here, and after that you have to simply click on that, and here you have to simply look for manage payments and subscription history and all other features which are available in this kind of interface. And after the verification, a new kind of interface will be available where you will find country or region. So here you have to simply click on that, and after that you will find the option of countries where you can simply change your country or region. So the next method is that you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to click on name or Apple ID here, and after that you have to click on media and purchases, and you have to click on view account. And as you click on view account, a new kind of interface will be available where you find change or country or region option available. So you have to simply click on that option where you can simply find all the list of the countries you want to change country or region. So you have to simply click on that, and as you click on, you have to simply select that country you want to change the region, and after that you have to simply agree the terms and condition for that country. And before that, you have to make sure that you check the any purchases, because some purchases may not work in other country or region. So you have to simply click on that, continue, and here you will find the option of a payment method, and you have to agree the terms and conditions. And after agreeing the terms and conditions, so you have to simply click on payment method, and after that here I'm selecting non-payment method, and after that you have to simply click on done, and your payment country or region will be changed. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.